Hi, good morning viewers. Today we find given some date are given. We find what is the day comes in that date. So these problems are very important in any competitive exams like Group 1, Group 2, Civil Service, PSRB, SBA, POS, etc. So RRB and etc. So here find the date of the given, find the day of the given date. So 1 year equal to 365 days. 365 days means 52 weeks and 1 day. So what is the odd day? ఏదైనా ఒక ఇయర్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఆ వీక్స్ అన్ని పోను మిగిలిన రోజులనే ఆడ్ డే అంటాం. ఈ ఆడ్ డేస్ ఏదైనా ఒక డేట్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఏ రోజు వస్తుందో ఆ రోజు కనుక్కునే దానికి డే అనేది ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. సో 1 year equal to 52 weeks and 1 day. So in ordinary year, how many odd days comes? Only one odd day. In leap year, contains 366 days. So that means 52 weeks, 2 days. So how many odd days in that year? 2 odd days. 2 odd days. So 1 year equal to ordinary year equal to 1 odd day. So we take 1 century. 1 century means how many years? So 100 years. So 100 years equal to 240 leap years and 76 ordinary years. So leap year means 48 and ordinary years 1 day. So total is 124. 48 plus 76, 124. So how many odd days comes? 5 odd days. 1 century equal to 5 odd days comes. So similarly 200 years. 200 years means 2 5 is 10. 10. We divide with 7, we get what is the remainder? 3 remainder. So 3 odd days. 3 centuries. 3 5 is 15. 15 can be written as 14 plus 1. So 1 odd day. So 400 years. 4 centuries. 4 centuries means 5 4s 20 plus 1. Every 400 years comes 1 leap year. So ordinary year means a number which divides with 4 with some number remainder is called ordinary year. A number which divides perfectly with 4, 0 remainder is called leap year. So leap year comes every 4 years. So here, so last 2 zeros are given, we divide with 400. In generally, we divide with 4, some remainder is comes, that year is called ordinary year. The 0 remainder is called leap year. So some data are given, we find the day of the given date. So we remember these points: day code, year code and century code. So day code means Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. This can be started with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Day code is very easily to remember. So in 1 week, how many days are there? 7 days. So we start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And next year code. Year code means January, February, March, April, May, June, July, September, October, November, December. So we remember some techniques are there. So 1 year equal to 12 months. These 12 numbers can be easily remembered. 033. 0 we remember 033 614. So 033 we add 2, we get 035. So 614 2 can be written as 11. So 614 plus 11 gives 625. So day code equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And year code equal to 033. So first 3 months is 033. Last 3 months is 035. So second 3 months are 614. We add 614 to the 11. We get 635. 625. 033. 035. 614. We add to 11 to 614. We get 625. So century code 16, 17, 18, 19, etc. So 16th century is 6. 6 before even number 4. 4 before even number 2 and 2 before 0. So 16, 17, 18, 19. So we already centuries takes first century, second century, third century, fourth century. We take these centuries. So 6420 is repeated. So we take 1 dash. So first century 4, 2, 0, 6. So first century equal to 4. Second century 2, third century 0, fourth century 6. We remember these points 16, 17, 18, 19. 16, 17, 18, 19, that means 6420. So the year is started with the first century, so that can be written as 4206. 4206. So similarly we can written 5, 6, 7, 8. 4206. So starting century is 4206 is repeated, and we take 16th century, 17th century, 18th century, 19th century. That means 6420. 6420. So day code is very easy. 0, 2, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and month code equal to year code. Year code means 033. 033 we add it to, we get last quarter. 033 plus 2 gives 035, and second quarter month is 614. 614 is added to 11. 11 gives 625. First quarter is 033, second quarter is 614, third quarter is 625, and last quarter is 035. So here some date is given. What day comes? 15th August 1947. So first we write date. First we write date 15, and next we write year 47. Next year month code. Month code. August month code is what is given? August month code 2. So next we write 2. Next century code. 19th century, what is given here? 0. 0. So in 1947 means we take 47. How many leap years are there? 11 leap years are. 11 fours are 44. So we take only quotient, not remainder. So in 47 years, how many leap years are there? 11 leap years. So we add these 15 plus 47 plus 2 plus 0 plus 11. So 47 plus 15, 57, 62, 62 to 64, 64 plus 11, 75, 75, 7 how many divides with 75? So 7 tens are 75 is remainder. So 5 means what is given here? 5 equal to Friday. So this addition we can do very easy. Another method. So 7 how many times going? 2 times. So 1 is remainder. So 7 5 is 35. 7 6 42. 42 means 5 remainder. 42. 2 0. 2 0. So 7 how many times going? 11. 1 time. So 7 plus 4. 4 remain. So 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 4 12. 12 by 7. So 7 how many times going? 12. 1 time. So what is the remainder? 5. So 5 means Friday. Next we take another date. So leap year. So February 28, 2020. What day comes in that date? So first we add date 28. Day 28. Next we write year 20. And what is the day month code of February? 3. So century code 6. Century code 6. 6420 after 6. And how many leap years are there in 20 years? 5 leap years. So 28 plus 20 48. 48 plus 3 51. 51 plus 11 62. So 7 how many times going? 62. 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 56. So what is the remainder? 6 remainder. So this year is leap year, but the date is not crosses the February 28th, not crosses. So here February 28 is given. So we subtract 6 from 1, we get 5. So 5 means what day? 5 means Friday. So similarly we do the another problem. So leap year is given, but the date is not crosses the February 28, not crosses, we subtract 1. So 31st December 2020 what day comes? So that means we add 31 and 20 and month code equal to 5 and century code equal to 6 and leap years is 5. So 31 plus 20 51, 51 plus 5 56, 56 plus 11 66 plus 1 67. So 7 how many times going 67? 7 8 is 56, 7 9 is 63. 7 9 is 63 means 4 is remainder. So 4 comes Thursday. సో ఏదైనా ఒక సంవత్సరం ఎప్పుడైతే స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందో జనవరి 1 అదే రోజుతో ఎండ్ అయిపోతుంది. అలా కాకుండా లీప్ సంవత్సరం అయినప్పుడు ఏ సంవత్సరంతో ఏ డేతో స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందో దాని అవతల రోజుతో ఎండ్ అయిపోతుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ.